Are you looking for a professional Photoshop document editing service to improve the visual quality, design, and presentation of your digital documents? You are in the right place. Welcome to our professional Photoshop document editing service, where we provide clean, creative, and high-quality Photoshop editing for personal, business, and marketing projects. We can help improve the appearance of your digital materials with professional formatting, layout adjustments, image enhancement, background cleanup, color correction, typography improvements, and many other creative Photoshop solutions. Every project deserves a clean and professional presentation. That is why we carefully work on each design while paying attention to spacing, alignment, colors, image quality, typography, and overall visual balance. Our Photoshop document editing service is suitable for a wide variety of creative projects, including business presentations, brochures, flyers, menus, portfolios, promotional materials, social media graphics, product sheets, digital templates, and other visual content. Do you have a design that looks outdated or needs a more professional appearance? We can help refresh the layout, improve the visual structure, enhance images, adjust colors, organize design elements, and create a cleaner and more attractive presentation. We also provide image enhancement services for digital projects. This may include improving brightness, contrast, clarity, sharpness, background appearance, image positioning, and overall visual quality. With our Photoshop document editing service, our goal is to make your content look polished, organized, and professional while following your design requirements. Have a custom project? Simply share your instructions and reference materials with us. We will carefully review your requirements and work to create a result that matches your preferred design and presentation style. We focus on quality, attention to detail, professional communication, and customer satisfaction. Before completing a project, we carefully review the design to make sure the layout, typography, images, spacing, and visual elements are properly presented. Depending on your project, completed work can be prepared in commonly used digital formats such as PSD, JPG, PNG, or PDF. Our Photoshop document editing service is intended only for legitimate creative, design, formatting, and visual enhancement purposes. We do not provide editing intended for fraud, deception, impersonation, or misuse. If you need professional Photoshop support for your next creative project, we are ready to help. Contact us today and tell us about your project.